Welcome all. Today's top breaking news with Gitanjali from Bayan Times. Status quo on three capitals till October 5th. The Andhra Pradesh High Court has extended the status quo on the three capitals row till October 5th. Supposedly, the High Court should start the proceedings of this case on a daily basis from Monday. However, upon the request of the advocates, the court has pushed the date to October 1st week. The advocates urged the court to take up the petitions on a hybrid basis. The High Court also made it clear that there won't be any further delay in this case, and from October 5th, all the petitions filed so far will be debated on a daily basis until the further orders. KTR reviews rain situation in Hyderabad, asks official to prevent losses. Municipal Administration Minister K.T. Rama Rao on Monday asked municipal officials to take necessary steps to prevent human and property loss during the rains. Reviewing the rain situation with officials of the Greater Hyderabad Municipal Corporation GHMC, Hyderabad Metropolitan Water Supply and Sewage Board HMWS and SB and other departments here, he instructed officials to cancel leave to all personnel for the next 2 weeks. The minister also instructed officials to identify buildings that were in dilapidated condition and other weak structures and demolish them immediately. Andhra Pradesh reports 6,235 new COVID-19 cases, tally at 6,31,749. Andhra Pradesh reported 6,235 new COVID-19 cases on Monday, taking the total number of cases to 6,31,749, said State Health Department. The total number of cases include 5,51,821 recoveries, 74,518 active cases, and 5,410 deaths, according to the State Health Department. Monsoon session of Karnataka legislature cut short due to COVID pandemic. The 8th-day-long monsoon session of Karnataka legislature that began on Monday will now be curtailed by 2 days due to COVID-19 pandemic. The assembly session that was scheduled till September 30 will now be for 6 days till September 26, including Saturday, which is otherwise a holiday, official sources said. During the Business Advisory Committee BSc meeting of the Karnataka Legislative Assembly today, there was no consensus between the opposition and the ruling side on holding question hour, with the government insisting on tabling the answers. Andhra class 9 and 10 students may go to school to get doubts cleared from Monday. The stage is set for schools to partially reopen on Monday for students of class 9 and 10 after 6 months and lapsing of almost half the academic year. The students will be allowed to visit their teachers in the school if they have consent from their parents or guardians. Students who have doubts regarding subjects or lessons taught online may visit the school and get their doubts cleared in the person by their teachers, said Krishna District Education Officer Rajalakshmi. However, students and teachers from containment zones won't be allowed to visit schools. Chief Minister KCR to review design of Dharni portal on Tuesday. Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao will be reviewing the design of the Dharni portal here on Tuesday at a high-level meeting in Pragati Bhavan. The Chief Minister wishes to create a portal to organize revenue records in a transparent way as a part of the revolutionary changes taken up by the government to cleanse the revenue department with the help of the new Revenue Act, he said on Monday. Erstwhile Andhra Pradesh has second most net connections, says TRAI. Telecom Regulatory Authority of India's TRAI Andhra Pradesh service area, which includes Telangana, is the second largest area in terms of internet broadband subscriptions in the country, as per a recently released report titled The Indian Telecom Services Performance Indicators January-March 2020. The Telugu states have 5.8 crore internet subscribers after factoring in both wired and wireless connections, which is second only to Maharashtra, where there are 6.3 crore subscribers.
With this, we conclude with our today's news headlines. For more such latest news and updates, like, share, and subscribe Pie and Times.